Yeah, we are back to week four assessment under Excel fundamentals for data analysis. So for this week four, we done the tables for automating data manipulation. These are test skills for week four. So now this is the assessment we will be downloading. I've already downloaded it for the week four. I'll be explaining not just the giving the answers. I'll be explaining the procedures and the steps on getting the evaluated answers. So the first question says to do this assessment, you should download this Excel, blah blah. So here is the workbook that had been downloaded already. You can see. Let me reduce the size. I think it's quite okay like this. So back to our Excel. It says have a look at the supplier phone number data in columns O and P. So this is columns O and P. So we need to look for the supplier's phone number. This. Now the question says, is this information presented in the table? Now, how can we know that? This is how you know. When you're having a table, there should be a table design stuff that we show here, which signifies that this is in a table. Let me convert this so that you can see. Control T. Mm. Now, once I click here, I have my table design here. So definitely, it is not in table. Back. So as I can see, the table design is not showing, which simply means the information is not presented in the table. So it's not in an Excel table. The second question says have a look at the discount code presented in column O and P. So this is the discount code presented in column O and P. Convert the discount code data to a table. So let's do that first. Just click on it. Control T. Okay. So now the next question says add a new record directly below the table as follows. So we're adding a new record here, which is code should be C. The code as C and the percentage as 15. 15. So what's the question under it? What is the corrected average discount shown in P19? This is our P19. P19. So what's the corrected average discount? Do not enter the percentage symbol. So we have 6.86. 6.86. So the third question says convert the inventory table data to a table. This is the inventory data. You can see inventory. If we have to convert it into a table, just click anywhere, then press your Control T. Our data has headers. So okay. So back to the instruction. Apply the table style white, table style light 18. So here's the table style. Table. So this is the table style. This is light, and we are going for star 18. You can say white style light 18. Just as in the instruction, white table style light 18. So we are having it here, white table style light 18. So we click on this. Then the next instruction says turn off banded rows. So banded rows, let's turn it off. Then the next one says turn on banded columns. So these are banded columns, we turn it on. So table style, we're given table style, like, let me confirm very well. Style like white, style 18. This is white table style light 18. So we have, as you can see, we have a ticker here, lighter, ticker, lighter, ticker, lighter. So let's look for something that match what we did. As you can see here, ticker, lighter, ticker, I mean the color, the background, which is the hash, lighter, ticker. So we are selecting this. Now the fourth question says turn on the total row. Total row. So we have to turn on our total row. So you come back to formulas. Sorry, table design rather. Then this is our total row. So you can see our total row has been assigned. Now the question says change the calculation for total retail price to average retail price. So from here we are changing it to average, and we have 104.13. 104.13. Next question says in the total row, add a calculation in the in stock. This is the in stock and we are using here. So it says add a calculation in the in stock column to get the total number of items in stock. That means we are summing. We are finding the sum of all these numbers. So you come to sum and we have 1335. 1335. Next question says in the total row, move across to discount. So where's the discount? This is discount. So we are moving across to here and choose STDEV, which means standard deviation. So we are choosing STDEV. So is it here? So the question says, what is the standard deviation for the discount percentage? Nearest whole number with no percentage, and we have 4. So we have our 4 here. Question 7 says, you need to find out which product needs reordering most urgently. So how do we know the product that needs reordering most urgently? We are told to sort data by the column in stock. So we are sorting from here. So that would be from smallest to largest. As you can see, this is 0. So now from the question says enter the product code. So we have to enter the product code here of the one that has the smallest stock. But from the question, we were told not counting 0 items. So that means we are not counting this 0 items. We move to the next smallest, which is this, and this is it. Wood 006. That's the product code. So you copy it. So let's paste it here. Wood 006. 066 rather. The question is this: you are doing an audit of product supplied by the company. Wubolu. Filter the data by the supplier. So we want to filter this data by supplier. So we want to do audit of products supplied by the company Wubolu. So we have to filter the data by the supplier Wubolu. So let's check for where is it? Okay, this supplier. We only need Wubolu, so we deselect this. Then select the only one we need. The only supplier we need, that's Wubolu. So back to the question, it says, what is the updated value for total in stock now? This is in stock. So the updated value for total is 767. 767. 767. So number 9 says clear the filter on supplier. So let's go back. We've cleared the filter on supplier. So the question says add a new filter to get the top 5% of stock items by retail price. So that means after clearing the filter, we want to get the top 5% of stock items by retail price. By retail price, don't forget that. So by retail price, let's search for top 5%. Click on top 10. Then you change this to 5. Don't forget 5%, not 5 items. Top 5%. This is top 5%. So back to the question. So we've done that. Top 5% of items by retail price. Now, what is the average retail price for these items? This is the average retail price. They don't forget cross check again. Average 627.5. So we have a 627.5. Yeah, you can put 0.50 as you wish, whichever one. 0.50 is the same thing as 0.5. So the last question says clear all filters and turn off the total. That's what we want to do now. Let's clear all filters. All filters cleared and the total row disabled. So the question says in the first empty row, add the following record. So we want to add this record to all these records. All these records. So we want to add it. So we have add 062. Add 062. You can see this table has been updated here. As you can see, the table has been updated here. So after that, we have chrome plated face frame hinge. Chrome plated face frame hinge. The next one is blue. So we have hardware China Alexandra. Hardware China Alexandra. We have 02 200 250. 02 200 250. Then look at the formula. Just copy the formula. See, and paste. Introduce. Sometimes we don't normally make error when copying the formula. We copy the space on it. So if you press enter, the formula won't work. So you need to cross-check everything and make sure that you clear the space before the equal sign. So as you can see, the discount has been updated. Then the next one we have 6.3 and 7.3. 6.3, 7.3. So we are done with that. Now this says turn the total row back on. So let's turn the total row back on. So the question says, what is the updated average retail price? This is the updated average retail price. This average, and we have 102.26. So the updated price, we have 102.26. We agree, and we submit. As you can see, that's 100, 100 over 100. So do well to follow my YouTube channel for more updates. And if you have any issue on any courses on Coursera, especially Excel, don't forget to send me a direct message. My contact will be attached below the video. Thank you and God bless you.